Hi, let's talk about this Bank Nifty and Nifty trend, right? So here, see what happens here. Previous video which I had said already what it does and how it react, right? I had said 10950 in the before two videos in the last second videos, I think day before yesterday, which I had uploaded, right? In that video itself I said 10950 is the last moves that going to give, right? And the second zone which I said is in the second video, that in second video I said 10900 to 9, that from there I'm expecting a downside, which I said, right? And see now the trend is what it does, right? So this is how it makes sense, which I said here. I will go for sorting 11,000 premium, right? Which I said, and see the ratio point of view, which is almost very good ratio, right? It's almost 50 to 60 70 points, right? So which is a very good moves. And Bank Nifty does the same exact things which I had said very clearly. 2750 last I gave here. I said my levels 27500 around. I said this one, right? Here I said the Bank Nifty little bit it pushed up, but as I said, the reverse point is that only 27500 from their area, right? So I cannot say that it's 275.5 or something, that decimal also I can't keep that levels, right? It's not no one will be 100% or even 80%, even 50% also. They don't have accuracy of that, giving a decimal with the decimal. And likewise, see, suppose if the Bank Nifty is going to hit 2752249, should I give this one? No, this is a wrong. This is the average price which I have picked from 27500 to 275,300 or 500, right? So from here or from here, that average level which I gave, and which I said 2500 is the whole number, right? That whole number which I gave. So from there, reversal area which I said in a previous video, it was quite similar, and it performed well with no doubt, right? With no doubt, there was no doubt at all, right? See here, it started reversing from here, and then yesterday, I guess yesterday was here, right? Yesterday was the last move here, and which I said after that it didn't broke. It again morning, it gives a little bit volatile due to the option expiry and all. So, and some people whoever they are in a bull side, that maybe they have covered their maybe losses, profits, lot of things, right? Hedge has been converted like that, closing a position. So this happens here, and which sentiment got that reaction, got bull, right? So after that it started consolidating, and it is overall it is a option sentiment reaction only, right? And the levels, see, if you see the level point of view, it is a perfect level. There is nothing behind any secrets, which I already said in previous video, and everything that I had explained. And also in previous video that I had said that this level I am not going to remove. So why I said that one is to show you this only. See what it does here, what it does here. So this is how it makes sense, right? So breakout and whatever the scalping, it is not for a whole life, right? It is not for a whole life. Scalp can be done who are scalper, right? They keep taking a lot of position every day, but we cannot take. Why? Because we are an individual trader, we have to pay a lot of taxes while doing a scalping, right? Who are doing the business, brokering and all, they do scalp, right? And investor as well, they scalp, right? But we are not a scalper. We need proper trend, we need a proper percentage to have that profits, right? So if you are suppose in entering into the walk pharma, which is a 500, you can see, right? So from 500 you can expect as a uh, if you want to do something in that walk pharma, if you are going for a short side, then basically you will try to place a stop loss at 10. If you are sorting, you will place the stop loss at 503 something, right? And your target would be the 498 or something, 497, 495, right? So that we would like to do always. But scalper, they take the points only, which is a decimal line, right? Which is a decimal number, they pick that only, right? If suppose the price has started from point 10, then they will enter at point 10 and they will close at a point 60, 70, 80, which is a kind of scalp, right? It is very bad for us to do that, right? And breakout also, breakout, every time the breakout doesn't give a proper signal, right? So see, you can see here, and this all things are, this is just a 15 minute. See the breakouts here, that whole day it was a range. After that you can see, maybe people would have expected that, yeah, this is a breakout, yeah, this is a breakout, yes, it's support for today, but every day it will not, right? So this is not the scenario of analyzing, this is not the way of analyzing. You have to way, choose your way in a proper manner, which I am currently doing like this, right? You can do, you can learn, and you will get a lot of ideas and all. So that is what I preferred to tell everyone. Guys, be have patience and follow proper rules.